most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new watching this video, you guys know what to do. Please hit that subscribe button. It would absolutely make my day, and I would love to hit 10k this year, so if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Lush Kitchen subscription box for March. How are we already doing this for March? I don't even know, but I have seen no spoilers, no sneak peeks, no leaked photos. I am going in this completely clueless as to what is in this box. I can't even tell you what this smells like. Fruity, fresh, lavendery maybe? I have no idea, so we're going to go in completely blind. I'm so excited to be unboxing this, so let's dive in, get yourself a snack or two and a coffee, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. So the first item we have is the Tropical Fruit Body Lotion. Now, I am the sort of person, I don't get through body lotions very quickly, so I actually still have the body lotion, what was it? The Avocado Co-Wash scented one. I'm still trying to get through everything, and the Lord of Misrule one, I haven't finished that either. But this one has almond oil, fair trade organic cocoa butter, cypress oil, cedarwood oil, ylang ylang oil, and vetiver oil. Let's open it and give it a smell. I'm so excited. I kind of want it to be orange or yellow. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, are we orange or yellow? We are not, and we are runny. So let's not tip it upside down. That smells like, what is that smell? Oh, this is gonna really annoy me. What is that smell? Jungle. Tropical is now jungle. That is what that smells like. Let's put a tiny bit on and see how it feels. I love the smell of jungle though, so I'm really excited to try that. I like the texture. It's a very light kind of milky texture. Really, really lovely. I feel like this would have been really good in a bottle though. It seems to be quite liquidy for a pot. This one smells exactly like the Jungle conditioner. I really love that smell. It's very light, very rich, like in terms of the feel of it on my skin, but it's really kind of light in like the texture. Does that make any sense? Beautiful. So excited. Great start. Let's move on. So the next item we have is the Aura Suavis. Suavis? I don't know how you pronounce that, but it's a beautiful pink shower gel. This one says it's mint and sweet, which I'm really excited to smell. And ingredients wise, this one has got aloe vera gel, lemon infusion, clary sage oil, coriander seed oil. I hate coriander, but never mind, we may like it. Spearmint oil, geranium oil. Let's give it a smell. I cannot wait any longer. Basic, minty. Smells like, I'll tell you what exactly what it smells like. It smells like, you know those little packs that you put in the microwave that help with achy muscles, and they have like lavender in them? It smells like that, but with a hint of mint. Like, it smells good, it just smells a little bit plain. Like, for the colour and the vibrancy of the shower gel, I thought it was going to smell really kind of in your face sort of smell. It doesn't. It's a very subtle smell, but it does smell good. I'm just not overwhelmed. Do you know what I mean? I like it. I don't love it. Moving on. The next item we have is a body scrub. Very excited to try something different, and this is the Tramp body scrub. Now, I've actually never smelt anything Tramp scented before. It's a very popular fragrance from Lush that was around years ago, so I'm really excited to give this one a smell. But ingredients wise, before we do, we have got fine sea salt, lemon balm, and white horehound infusion. What the hell is that? I have never heard of that before, so that's really exciting. The next ingredient we have is patchouli oil, oak moss absolute. I have a horrible feeling this is going to smell like a garden. Let's give it a smell and see. Also, apologies about my hair. I have been at work all day today, and I just thought I would film a couple videos, so I do apologise that I look like I've been dragged through a hedge backwards. So maybe this smell will be suiting for my appearance. I'm really scared it's going to smell like a garden. Okay, it looks like it's going to smell like a garden, doesn't it? It looks like moss. It smells not my fave. I don't hate it. Like, I don't hate that smell. It is by no means my favourite smell. Very similar in consistency to Rub 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 though, like almost liquidy. It smells like a mix of like blue skies and fluffy white clouds and something else. I don't know how I feel about it. It's not my favourite smell, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it is definitely not my favourite. It's not absolutely vile, but I wish it was like Lord of Misrule, do you know what I mean? Or Plum Rain. That would have been great. But yeah, this smells good. Not my favourite though. So the next item in the box is this. This looks kind of scary. I feel like it's going to smell like a garden as well. I am going to have to get up the ingredients. This is the Green Day Bubble Bar. So Green Day, my favourite band, if you guys didn't know. So I am very, very impressed with this one. I love the name, so that's great. Ingredients wise, this has got cream of tartar, sage oil. It's got that patchouli oil in it again. I don't know how I feel. Gardenia extract, olibanum oil. I'm scared to smell smell it because I don't want the smell to ruin my vibe with this. Okay, let's smell it. Okay, no, it's not as bad as I thought. It's definitely got an earthy sort of smell to it. It does smell like a little bit lavendery, even though there's no lavender in it. It smells kind of like an oat bag. It smells good. Just fresh, you know? Like a fresh, clean, crisp smell. Oh, that went in my mouth. Smells good. I really like the smell of this one. It's very soft though. I feel like I could easily crumble this, but I just love the name. So 10 out of 10 Lush. Green Day Bubble Bar. Went in my mouth again, but I love it. And now moving on to the last item, I think, in the box. This is the Woodland Soap. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't mine look like an elephant. Like, that's his ear and his little tusk and his nose and his eye. I don't know whether that's intentional, but mine looks like an elephant. Okay, scent-wise, ingredients even, we have got rapeseed oil, coconut oil, Rasul mud, which I know I don't like the smell of because it smells like a garden, pumice powder, coconut oil, vetiver oil, that patchouli oil. Again, what is it with this patchouli oil box? I swear, everything has patchouli in, and I can tell this is going to smell like a garden. Let's smell it. Smells like a garden. No, absolutely not. My mum would like this smell. Smells like a forest floor in the rain. No, not my favourite. It feels like it would be very moisturising though, like it is melting in my hand, like it's very moisturising feeling. Just doesn't smell good. If you like earthy smells, you will like this one. So, you know, don't let my opinion scare you. I'm just not into the whole garden vibe, so not my fave. But anyway, so that is everything for the Lush Kitchen box for March. This has definitely not been my favourite box. I feel like now that the perfumes have come and gone, I like the kind of range of this box. We had kind of one of everything, like a lotion, scrub, shower gel, bubble bar, soap. I liked the mix. I just don't like garden smells. This box was very heavily gardeny. Not my favourite, so I do apologise if this seemed very negative. I will use every product and I will probably really like them, but at kind of just smell, not my fave. I would absolutely love to know your thoughts down below in the comments on this box. Did you love it? Did you hate it? What products are you excited to try? What products did you not enjoy? I would love to know down below, so let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments. But that is everything. Thank you so much for watching and joining me today. I really appreciate it, and if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. I am slowly getting my way to 9.8 thousand of you, which is insane, so if you haven't subscribed, please do. I'm gonna go now and have a bath and chill out. So I hope you guys have a fab evening. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.